What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is LL here, and today we're going to be talking about this ETH 2.0 staking platform called Stakewise. And people who have been subbed on the channel for a longer time know my videos where I have talked about the upcoming merger, which is supposed to happen in a couple of months this summer, where the proof of work will be transitioning into proof of stake on the Ethereum network. And this means that we're going to have 90% less Ethereum minted per day, and likely we're going to be seeing a net negative Ethereum supply for a yearly basis, meaning Ethereum will basically become a deflating asset. And this is obviously very bullish for the price, and obviously people want to accrue more Ethereum. And Stakewise is one of these platforms which basically allow you to stake your Ethereum in exchange to get those staking rewards. And a bit about the thing here. So this is liquid staking, which we have talked about on the channel in a couple of the recent videos. And basically, when you stake your Ethereum on the platform, you will be getting a token known as ETH, which is basically a representation of your staked amount, which you are basically able to use in DeFi as they advertise here. And then they talk about maximum stability, uptime for their platform, real-time monitoring of your rewards, and integration in terms of APY. And here, once again, no limits. So normally when you're going to be staking Ethereum in the Ethereum merger update, you're going to be needing 32 Ethereum. And a lot of small fish are not able to afford that, obviously. So you want to join in the stake pools and staking services like Stakewise. And they talk about the tokenized staking, which we have kind of discussed here. But let's jump into the platform, and here are some of the integrations where they have partnered up with 1inch, Gnossis, Safe, and Uniswap. And there's also Telegrams and Discords for further questions if this video doesn't answer all of them. So let's go into the actual platform here. So one of the cool things here out of the bat is that this is actually on two different chains now. Gnossischain, which was previously known as XDAI chain, which now merged together with Gnossis. So you have the ability to also change into Gnossis here and apply staking of Gnossis, which I did actually just here today. I put up amount of Gnossis to the platform. There has been speculations on an airdrop happening on Gnossis holders right now, which is one of the reasons I would recommend you maybe getting a bit of a bag and holding it in your own wallet, not in exchange. But basically it is the parallel same experience, but with very low fees compared to Ethereum. So let's change it back to the Ethereum. So there is 10% staking fee on the Ethereum side, and this is deducted from the total staking rewards. And this is the APR we are getting after the 10% has been deducted. That is not meaning that the normal APR is 13.12%. No, this is 10% out of 10% increase to 3.12, making it, I don't know, 13.445% is like the real APR or whatever. And in their platform, they have two different tokens, or basically three. You have the ETH2, which is basically the token you get when you stake your Ethereum on the platform. As I said, there's no minimum here. Before I had 0.01 Ethereum here. Now I just increased the amount, and I'm going to be probably increasing it more down the line. Obviously wait for lower gas fees. And I'm also speculating that there might be an airdrop conducted by the Stakewise platform for people who are using the platform. That's just a hunch. No confirmations there. And then you have the RETH, which is standing for reward. Now, so here I can see how much I have made. I haven't made much because I had such a little sum here on the platform. Here on the bottom you see how much Ethereum we're basically making per day. It changes obviously based on many metrics and things that are happening on the network. I don't know what are those specifics, what are having an impact on these prices. I guess the amount of being staked, etc. Now one of the cool things here is obviously you're thinking, well, 3.12% doesn't sound so exciting because there's a lot of like CeFi platforms which can give you up to 6%. But then again, like when you borrow ETH2 Aave or things like that, it's not even above 1%. So for DeFi, it's a pretty solid number in the Ethereum's own network. But there is a farming opportunity here as well. So once you acquire the Ethereum, you can basically participate on yield farming on Uniswap. And here's the catch. You know me. I don't like yield farming because of the impermanent loss. But because you are basically farming Ethereum 2 with Ethereum, which are both the same Ethereum basically, the peg is the same, so there will be no impermanent loss. Either you will be ending up with more Ethereum or more Ethereum. So it doesn't really matter here. They are basically valued at the same price. So you will be getting 7.13 APR, which is 5.44% on Swise, which is basically the native token of the platform. And then you have ETH.2, and then there's going to be trading fees. And this you're going to be earning 4 different assets here: Ethereum, ETH2, Swise, and rewards ETH2. And you can also view your stats, your APR, deposit rewards, things like that. Then there's reward ETH2 with staked ETH2. So another one with 5.16% and earned assets in the 3 different categories here. This one actually gives you a bit more of the ETH2 staking thing than this one does. And it gives you Swise. And then thirdly, there is Swise and Ethereum 2. This is obviously has highest APR, but this one is obviously subject to impermanent loss because Swise is not pegged to Ethereum or anything. So this is the most riskiest one. APR is not so good because, it's giving in the Swise, so I don't really care about that. Now, and obviously the yield farms are on Gnosis too, so if you're interested in those, it's basically the very same ones. Okay, they're actually not available here yet, but whatever, they're going to be launched soon. But overall, what I forgot to say in the beginning was that we are going to be having a difference, a change in the percentage once the actual staking happens. The RYI, or the APY of the Ethereum network, once it goes proof of stake, will be determined a lot by how much of the Ethereum is actually being staked on the network. So the lower the amount of staked, the higher the APR is. So right now we are seeing 3.12%, but that is going to be higher once we are going to be actually transitioning into the platform. So this is something you really want to be thinking about, and it's a good opportunity. It's a very safe opportunity. I think there's the code is on GitHub, there's governance, and this is going to be one of these, probably going to be one of the very few staking platforms which are going to be around at the launch. So once we're going to be transitioning into proof of stake, there's not going to be that many platforms which are going to be having this shared staking platform, and who knows how much fees they might ask. But I thought I would be making a video about this because of the airdrop potentials, and also relatively safe, and also for a DeFi, percentages on Ethereum with very low risks on the farming side of things, as we discussed, because this is the peg sum here. It's a pretty good deal, something to really consider. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will be seeing you next time.